See if we can sneak up on the goats. Courtney's feeding the babies right now. Oh, she's in there with them. Girl, goodness sakes, Lena. What is it? Samson, you getting some lovin'?
They're panting.
That's because it's hot.
Fly, fly away. Let me fly away. Just to see all the little boy gets picked on, huh? Little boy gets picked on.
Yeah, the one that was at Stephanie's, the brown one, that's his brother.
I want their sheep too. Leo. That's what his name is.
Yep, that's his name.
Odessa.
Odessa. Come here.
I'll let you guys see the little ducks. They're almost ready to be let go. One did get its foot caught when we were moving this, so it is limping. But they're all about ready to fly away. We'll probably only keep them for another 2 weeks or so, and then we're going to let them go, because they'll be old enough to defend themselves and whatnot. Can't get too close to them because they like jump on each other and whatnot. But I figured we'd come up real quick. We'll walk up here to the garden so we can see that real quick. I just watered it. We don't have any rain. We haven't had rain for a little over a week now, which has been nice, but you gotta water stuff for that. I think they're calling for rain Sunday. But I guess you could think that it was better late than never getting a garden in. But I told my husband I'm just happy with what we got right here right now. Just been able to plant just a little bit. Be better than nothing at all. I still got to get one more tomato cage. But I wanted to show you guys something. Look it. We have a little red cherry tomato there. And we have a little one right there. So that kind of makes me happy. Bug's bugging me. We got an axe. Chop this out, this vine. But that is that.
Water.
Yep, I'll take it. Thank you. I want to thank everybody for watching our video today. I hope that everybody enjoyed it. I'm very tired. My feet are killing me. I need to take a shower. My husband's still out. I'm working in the goat pen. We've got it almost done, but then he's got to rent a bulldozer from work so he can get it leveled off and get pads put up so we can get buildings put up. We're going to get the land surveyed. They're about 5 weeks out, so we can get some trees cut down because we got some valuable trees in here. And then we're going to get a pole barn put up, and we got to get our horse pen put up because I'm waiting for the BLM, Wild Horse Land Management, to get a hold of me to let me know that we are, where our pickup will be. So we got to get her pen done pretty soon, and we just got so much to do. Every day has been a work, and it just seems like it's not ending anytime soon. So thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new, and just keep joining us every day. Thank you everybody. Stay safe. God bless.